Okay, so one more. I got another video in the same outfit. I know you're probably wondering what's going on. I just haven't left the spot. I've been thinking up the ideas I wanted to talk to you all about and get it out to you. So this video is going to be about essential oils and, fragrant oils and whatnot. Now, we talked about this before in another video where I go into kind of in depth how fragrant oils are. Well, not in depth. I don't really go in deep anywhere. Giggity. But it's about how essential oils are real and fragrant oils are fake, yada yada. So I use an essential oil diffuser, and I've been using this Good Sleep 100% pure natural therapeutic grade essential oil in my stuff, and it has clary sage, copaiba, and lavender oils. I love it. Great stuff. Really makes me go night night like a baby. Well, no, my baby doesn't actually go night night. Anyway, I digress. I 100% digress. I want to talk to you about honesty and transparency when it comes to your products, right? Actually, you know what? Give me a second. Okay, so this here is baby powder. I don't use it on Mickey. We do not use this at all. This is sealed. It's just been in my, I think someone gave it to us for the baby shower or something. I don't know. But anyway, on the back it has, crap, I can't read it. So, okay, some of the stuff is scratched off. But the important part here, it says fragrance, right? That's what I wanted to talk about, fragrance. So in this fragrance, right, I understand why companies keep things a secret. Like Coca-Cola, they kept their formula a secret. Mr. Krabs kept his Krabby Patty formula a secret because you don't want somebody to copy it. I got that part. But you do, and I believe, this is me personally, you should tell everything that's in a product, especially something somebody's going to eat or drink or put on their body, because your body does consume your skin does consume 60% of what you put on it. So hey, cat, hey, cut it out, buddy, get out of here. Cat, get out of here, cat. All right, sorry about that. The cat, he likes to do stuff and it like messes up my vibe. All right, but anyway, so when it comes down to it, they're putting these fragrance oils in these products, and I understand why they do it. It makes things smell nice and stuff, but you don't know what's in that. It just says fragrance. You don't know what that is. I don't like that because it's not very transparent to the customer, or not transparent to the user, the consumer. What if something that's in there you're allergic to, but now you don't know what's causing you this allergic reaction, and you can't tell the doctors when you go, because they're going to ask you, well, what'd you put on? You're going to say this, and they say, oh, you may be allergic to fragrance, and they don't know what exactly it is, and it could be a whole hassle. Another issue I have is something when foods have natural flavor as one of the ingredients. Now, I don't know what a natural flavor is. So semen's a natural flavor, right? It would technically classify as a natural flavor. I don't want a nut muffin, okay? I don't want a nut muffin. Okay, take that back. I like banana nut muffins, but I don't want, I don't want like a matte nut muffin, okay? Like, I don't want a muffin with matte special sauce in it, right? So that always kind of bothers me when it says natural flavor. Like, what is a natural flavor? Now, some of them will say like natural smoke flavor or hickory flavor. That I can kind of vibe with because I know what direction we're going with this flavoring. But just natural flavor, what is that? I don't like it, and it bothers me a bit. So this whole video is mainly just a rant for me to explain to you and to express to you how I think it's important for you to use, eat, consume whatever products that are more open with you of what they're using. That way you can know for yourself, you have a better chance for you, your kids, or anybody to know exactly what's happening with your body if something goes wrong. Because again, I don't want a matte nut muffin. It's just that simple. That's how I'm very passionate about that. I don't want that muffin. I don't want it. Okay, I just don't want that muffin. So don't give me that. Okay, we're good. I think we're good there. Cat, we good? He gave me the finger, so I guess we're fine. All right, catch you all later. Thanks for watching.